Hi, Laura here, and I am bringing you a nice Pilates snack, a short but effective Pilates routine that you can sneak into those busy times of the holidays when you're traveling, or really any time when you just feel like you're short on time but you want to move your body. This is the workout routine that you want to bookmark and save, put it on your favorite playlist. It is hitting everything that you need in just 5 simple Pilates moves. If you're new to my channel, my name is Laura. I'm a certified Pilates instructor and personal trainer, and I bring you videos that help you to stay fit, to stay healthy, to stay strong for all of those active hobbies that you love to do. So if that sounds like stuff that you like to do as well, that we share in common, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you can get videos to help you enjoy your active living lifestyle as well. We're going to start with the Pilates 100, so all you'll need is your mat in a laying down position. So go ahead and meet me there. Starting in a laying down position, we'll connect our feet to the floor, knees bent, entire spine connected onto the mat. Hands, reach them upwards to the sky. Take a big inhale to prepare. And then on the exhale, hands float down, head, neck, and shoulders float up. Start your pumps. We inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right away, we're getting connected into our breath, into our core. I want that tailbone to feel heavy for you to try to curl the shoulder blades up and off of the mat. When you're ready to add on, float those legs up to tabletop. Those arms are pumping from your back without shaking and bobbing the head. Straight legs is going to be an even harder challenge. As the legs become longer, it's a heavier lever for your pelvis to control. And you can even float those legs down to a 45 degree for a harder challenge. One more breath here. Knees hug in, rest the head, and then straighten your legs into a full legged straight position. Arms rise upwards towards the sky, and we go into our roll up. Tuck your chin to your chest, roll up to your toes. Reach forward and past your toes if that's in your body, and then melt yourself back down to the ground. Try to go down exaggeratingly slow, bone by bone by bone. Reach the hands back for a shoulder stretch. Hands back up to the sky. Exhale, curl forward. And reach forward towards your toes. Now, if a full roll-up is not available to you today, you can always bend the knees just like we did earlier for the hundreds and give me some crunches. I also have some videos, which I will tag along here, that break down how to become better at your roll-up and various exercises that you can do to work your way up to the full expression. If you happen to not be able to do your full roll-up today, I don't want that to keep you from doing the workout. So just go ahead and go into those crunches. With these 5 exercises, I try to move your spine in all different directions, connect to our front body, our back body, and our side body. The hundreds was to connect us to our breath. We've got 2 more roll-ups here. The roll-up is to connect us to our front body abs, and your crunches will do just that. On our last one, we will end seated. Once you're in your seated position, I want you to open up your legs. We're sitting up on our butt bones for saw. Open those hands out to the side. We're going to twist to the side, reach for your toe, come back up, and twist to center. Twist to the side, reach opposite hand to opposite foot, come back up, and center on your own pace. I like to exhale as I reach my hand to my foot. Inhale as I sit up tall. That exhale as you reach your hand to your foot is going to help you to get a little bit more ab work. But here our primary focus is actually the twisting. We've added this move for rotation. Our arms are floating in space, working a little bit of our shoulders as well. We're going to go one more towards the right foot. One more towards the left foot. And then meet me on your stomach. We flip over to our stomach. Legs are going to be long. Arms are going to be straight and long as well. as you're here on your stomach, reach your shoelaces into the floor, imaginary because we're barefoot, and your palms down to the floor. Starting out slow for swimming, we're going to go right hand, left leg lift, lower down. Left hand, right leg lift, lower down. Continue through. So as we take this as a slow and steady pace, I want you to focus on lifting your leg from your butt and the back of the thigh. Reach the toe super long out of that ball and socket joint. Feel like someone's pulling it out of your pelvis, out of your hip, and that's going to help you to stay out of your low back here. Your head and your neck and a little bit of your collarbone is lifted from the floor, and this is how we're getting a little bit of that extension work, that back body work. So in these 5 moves, we're really targeting the entire body, being specific, precise, intentional, and getting our spine moving in all the different directions that it's intended to. One more each side, nice and slow. And then we'll do an 8 count, a little bit speedy. When you're ready for me, float arms and legs, and then we swim. Nice and fast from the shark. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands to the floor, child's pose stretch, just for a recovery. Not too long because this workout's short. Next and last, we're gonna go into our kneeling mermaid. We're gonna be in a kneeling position, be in the middle of your mat. I like to kickstand one of my legs out to the side. The leg that you have out, mine is my right, you're gonna go the opposite way for your side bend. Hands behind head, take your elbow over to the side, exhale, bring yourself back up. We've got 8. Inhale over, exhale, lift back up. Now I like kickstanding the foot to the floor because then I get a little bit of inner thigh work as well. Try to reach that head really long out from the ankle as you take that side bend. That's going to give you that stretch to through your top side body. Last one. Right leg comes down, left leg comes out. Same thing, other side. Side bend, exhale, lift. Side bend, and exhale, lift. I also made this workout intentional so you didn't feel beat up in case you are going through a super stressful travel, super stressful holiday. You can still give your body that kindness of movement and feel invigorated to take on the rest of your day. Last one. Knee back to center, hands down to your side, and then you're all set. A super quick, simple, yet effective Pilates snack that you can fit into those busy times when you still want to move your body. If you like this workout, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Lets me know that you want to see more workouts like this. And if you're not already subscribed to my page, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you can keep seeing when I post these workout routines. And if you enjoyed this workout and would like to dive a little bit deeper into some of the exercises you saw, grab my free ebook, Pilates Power. It's a free download where I have written out, deep dove into some of these Pilates exercises to help you on your journey for your wellness goals, your fitness goals in your active lifestyle. Go ahead and download my Pilates Power ebook. It's down in the description below, and you'll get a copy of this free ebook directly to your email. If you like this workout, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It lets me know that you enjoyed it and you would like to see more videos like this. And if you're not already subscribed to my page, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you can see more videos like this to help support you on your active lifestyle, keeping you strong, keeping you active, keeping you healthy for the things that you love to do. I'm Laura, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a good one.